everyone. My name is Sally Liu, and I am the head of regional marketing at Xiaomi Global. A warm welcome to all of you.
We're introducing a brand new Redmi Note, a new star for all our fans. So why don't we welcome Redmi Note 8T. We have the star-shaped blue. It has a beautiful dual gradient tone finish. And we also have the very beautiful moonlight white. It's kind of hard to explain how beautiful it is, so later on, I'd really advise you to check it out. And our dark model is called the Moon Shadow Gray. Redmi Note 8T is perfect for that with its all-star quad camera. It uses our well-loved Samsung 48-megapixel, and we've also added the all-new ultra-wide and macro lenses, plus a depth sensor. The Redmi Note 8T is powered by the highly balanced Snapdragon 665. Redmi Note 8T has 4,000 milliamp battery. I'm sure it's enough for day-to-day use. The Redmi Note 8T will cost €199. A smartphone redefining epic. Now, say hello to the global debut of Mi Note 10. So as we look here, the Aurora green coloring elegantly flows as light reflects of it. And glacier white, my favorite color. It's simple and beautiful, and you can notice that the pearlescent color looks different from every angle. And it also has a tinge of rainbow sheen. And for the minimalist, we have the midnight black. We're bringing photography to the next level with 108 megapixel. It has a 10 times telephoto lens with optical image stabilization. It also has a 2 times 12 megapixel telephoto lens made for portraits. And the primary sensor, we have a 108 megapixel with OIS. So we have dual OIS, one for the primary sensor and one for the telephoto. We also have an ultra-high resolution 20 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens and a dedicated macro lens. And for night shots, just in case you need an extra light, we've also included dual flash and a softer dual light. Mi Note 10 doesn't only shoot epic details during the day, it also takes great photos at night. This is especially handy for dimly lit restaurants or indoors. With 27 megapixel super pixel shots, you're ready for any lighting conditions. We've also included a dual OIS for both the 108 megapixel and telephoto lens. Now, next up, we have the epic zoom range. With the Panda camera system, we're able to achieve a seamless, lossless zoom from 0.6 to 5 times without compromising on image quality. And even further, it also supports 10 times hybrid and 50 times digital zoom. There's unlimited ways to shoot with the Panda camera. More ways than ever to capture your story. Mi Note 10 comes with a massive battery, 5,260 milliamps of battery. Let's take a look again at what the Mi Note 10 has. For those who want the best in photography, we got you covered. The world's first Panda camera system to capture epic moments is here. Mi Note 10, 6 plus 128 gigabits, €549. We also have the Mi Note 10 Pro. We have the 8 plus 256 variant. How much will it cost? €649.
We have learned so far about our Mi TV 4S 55-inch. Premium design, 4K HDR, great audio quality, MediaTek 6886 64-bit quad-core processor with 2 gigabytes of RAM plus 8 gigabytes of internal storage. So for a 55-inch 4K HDR Android TV with the latest version, €449. The early bird price for a Mi TV 4S 55-inch, €399.